assessment tool for bearing current mitigation strategies. Coupling high-frequency components from the inverter onto a motor shaft creates a voltage across the bearings. When this voltage becomes too high, it discharges through the lubricant. In doing so, it generates damaging electrical currents known as EDM currents. Over time, these discharges can lead to increased maintenance needs or even premature bearing failure. Flanders Make has created a predictive model that estimates the voltage across motor bearings caused by the inverter. This system-level model takes into account all components of the drivetrain. It is built from high-frequency models of each element, derived from precise impedance measurements. The model allows us to test both hardware and software-based mitigation techniques and identify the most effective solutions to reduce bearing voltage. And this can all be done virtually, without the need for costly experimental trial and error. See how our assessment tool helps engineers evaluate bearing voltages for a specific drivetrain setup and explore effective strategies to protect motor bearings, all helping to improve reliability and extending the lifetime of electric drivetrains.